Hey boys and girls, we're getting ready to start seat work. We are going to work on your phonics page. Your phonics page. You should see at the bottom of the page lesson 133. That is 133. And next to the lesson number, I can see the page number. It says 161, so be sure that you are on the right page. Okay? Remember your seat work rules before you begin. You are not talking. You have to work independently because I need to know what your brain knows. You are going to try your best. Okay? And I know you guys can do that. So now that you're ready to begin, remember the first thing you do, you're going to write your name. You're going to write your name. Once you have completed writing your name, you are going on to number 1. That is number 1. You are required to do 4 things in number 1. The first thing that you're going to do, you're going to circle the special sounds. Then you're going to mark the vowels. You're going to read the words and then match the picture to its name. If I look at the first picture, there's an example. The vowels were marked and the special sound was circled. The only thing you have to do with the first picture is match the picture to the right name. Okay, so I'm going to read through all the pictures with you guys. We have a brick, tire, paint, lamp, sheep, fox, bag, wave. Remember, take a minute to go through question 1 and be sure that you did everything that was asked. When you are sure that you completed question 1, you are going to question 2. So you're turning the page over. Question 2. You are going to fill in the bubble under each picture word that begins with the special sounds. If I look over here, you're going to see the special sounds. So you are going to fill in the bubble under each word that begins with the special sounds. I am going to go through the pictures with you guys. Broom, brick, boot, gas, grasshopper, grapes, bag, spider, spoon. Remember, double check your work. Be sure that you fill in the bubble under each picture that begins with the special sound. Then you are going to number 3. You are going to write the vowel that completes each word. You are going to write the vowel that completes each word. Remember your vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. I'm going to go through the pictures with you guys. Bug, mop, hat, fish. Remember, check over your work. When you have completed your phonics paper, you are going on to your writing with phonics. Remember, the first thing you always do when you begin your seat work, write your name. You are going to write your name. Then you are going to trace and write. We have done this many times in the classroom. If I look at house number 1, I can see capital K and little k. So you are going to trace capital K and trace little k. I see some dots. So what does that dot tell me? What does it tell you? It tells you that you are going to use the first dot to write the capital K. So you're going to write capital K. And the second dot, you're going to write little k. Remember, capital K lives upstairs and downstairs, just like little k. I see some more dots over here, so you are going to write another set of K's. You have a lot of space left, so you can continue filling up the lines, but remember to use your finger space. Then you're going to house number 2. You are going to trace the sentence. Trace the letters in the sentence. When you have completed house number 2, you are going to house number 3. You are going to write the sentence that you just traced in house number 2. So you're going to write this sentence in house number 3. Where you see the dots, remember the dot is going to tell you where to start a new word. So focus on what you're doing. House number 4, you are going to trace. You are going to trace the sentence. House number 5, you are going to write the sentence from house number 4. Remember too, some letters live in the basement like little p, so focus on what you are doing. When you are done with the first page, you are going to turn it over and you are going to complete the back of the paper, just like you did. In the front, you are going to trace and write. Okay, boys and girls, do your best. I know that you can.